Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a lesson on a song called Feels Like Home from a band called Caamp. C-A-A-M-P. Okay, standard tuning, no capos. Doing it in the same key that the band recorded it on their latest album. Okay, so without more ado, I'm going to go through the intro, the first verse and first chorus for you, break it all down, show you how I played it, and you will be good to go for the rest of the song. It just repeats the whole thing several times, played exactly the same way. And then towards the end of the song, basically they use the same chord sequence but play it twice as fast. Okay, I'll show you that in the breakdown. Okay, so singing as usual for reference only. Okay, so here we go. There's something in my heart and it feels like fire. There's a yearning in the river and it feels like home. Take me down to the water. I need time. Give me time. So on, and that's it. That's the gist of the song. Okay, it just repeats that sequence over and over again with different words, and then at the end of the song it just speeds it all up. Okay, so let's break it down for you. So I'm starting off with a C chord, and when you initially strum downstroke the strum on the C chord, you hammer into that second fret of the fourth string. So start off with the C with the second finger off the fourth string, and when you strum down, you hammer into that second fret on the fourth string. Okay, like that. Okay, so it's very slow at the beginning. It's a sort of a half picky, half strummy sort of thing. It's like a okay. So what you do there, so you hammer into a C, pick around a bit, and then you go to an F chord, and then just before you go back to the C chord, you lift up the second finger on the F chord and try and hit that open third string. Okay, so and then back to a C chord, and when you go back to the C chord, try and remember to hammer into it the first time you strike it. Okay, so first bit, okay, and then repeat. No, sorry, this doesn't repeat. What am I talking about? Not yet, it doesn't. So that's the first bit. Okay, so do that again. Then we go to an A minor. Then we go to the F again, and then lift out that second finger and hit the open third string, the G string, and then back to the hammer into the C. Okay, so the whole phrase is hammer, F, open third string, hammer into C, A minor, F, open up the third string, hit the third string and hammer back into the C. And then just repeat the whole lot. You just play that whole sequence twice for the intro, and when it comes out of the second time, you just sit on the C for twice as long. It's a sort of a pregnant C bit. Okay, so let's just do the whole intro for you here slowly. Stay there. we go. Something in my heart and it feels like fire. And now we play exactly the same as we did for the intro, okay, for the verse, okay. Something in my heart and it feels like fire. A minor. There's a yearning in the river. F and it feels like open to G, home to C, hammer. Hammer, take me down, take me F down, open up that third string to the water. Now we go to the A minor, time, now the F, open up the third string, and then repeat the A minor bit. Time, F, open G string. Okay, so let's go through the whole thing. Okay. So let's do the whole thing in one hit. Okay, here's the intro. Okay. There for a bit. Here we go. There's something in my heart and it feels like fire. There's yearning in the river and it feels like fire. Take me down to the water. I need time. Give me time. Okay, so just there's two lots of A minor to F on the end of the verse, and that acts as the chorus, if you want to call it a chorus. Okay, so there you have it. That's the whole thing. Okay, and then towards the end of the song, it just changes tempo and plays everything exactly the same but twice as fast. So you sort of just plays everything twice as fast with its regular strumming pattern. Okay, so there you have it. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.